On the bottom, you will have a white cross and side color aligned with its middle piece. The white cross is like the shepherd who wants to bring in all the sheep. The white pieces are the sheep. Align colored side of sheep with its corresponding middle piece, color. Then move it away in the direction that the white piece is facing. The shepherd will come down to take the sheep home. The white piece has to be in the bottom for the shepherd to take it home. If a sheep is not in the bottom, simply do this. Align it with the middle piece color, move away, and shepherd will take it.